2021 marks the 25th anniversary of Canada Blooms, a quarter century of inspiring green thumbs and garden lovers.
Our annual Flower and Garden Festival really has become the unofficial start of spring here in Canada. With more than $6 million worth of garden design, expertise, and almost endless educational seminars, Canada Blooms has inspired Canadians from every corner of the country. Now that the sun is shining and spring bulbs are emerging, we want to inspire you with some great garden ideas. We may not be able to make Canada Blooms this year, but you can.
Watch for our new Canada Blooms inspiration videos throughout the spring. Then, get in the garden. Take some shots. Share your gardens with us using the hashtag Canada Blooms. Happy gardening, everyone.